back from the dead.
I run for fun. I run to race. I run with sound. I run in silence. I run with nature. I run the streets. I run at night. I run alone. I run with you.
This is the Puck Plus, the Universal Wireless Bluetooth 4.0 MIDI interface for musicians who make music with an iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Yes, Bluetooth means wireless, and thanks to Apple's Bluetooth MIDI connectivity in iOS 8 and OS X Yosemite, it's fast and stable, and enables multiple simultaneous connections. The Puck Plus supports both USB or 5-pin MIDI connections, enabling any MIDI controller to wirelessly connect to apps on your iPhone or iPad and DAWs on your Mac in an easy-to-use device. Chances are you have more than one MIDI controller, so give each a Puck Plus and simultaneously connect them all to your iPhone or iPad or Mac. If you haven't already noticed, iPads and iPhones aren't exactly the easiest to connect cables to, and newer Macs have fewer physical ports to hook up your gear. The Puck Plus connects to your controller and sends MIDI to your app or workstation, just like you used to send MIDI over a 5-pin cable or USB. Not only that, but the Puck Plus can also power most low-drawing USB controllers. Bluetooth MIDI is a major technology leap for musicians, and the Puck Plus takes those advantages and makes it easy for players to use the Apple tech that they love. And once you experience how simple and reliable the Puck Plus's wireless performance is, you'll wonder why you had to put up with wires for so long. The Puck Plus. It's wireless MIDI made easy.
Introducing Muse, bringing Amazon's Alexa and more to most any vehicle.
Alexa, play some Daya.
Shuffling songs by Daya.
Did I just... Alexa, close the garage door.
Okay.
Could dress up to get love. Guess what?
I'm never gonna be that girl who's living in a Barbie world. Alexa, add singing lessons to my to-do list.
I've added singing lessons to your to-do list.
Alexa, what's on my calendar?
Here are the next 2 events. Tomorrow at 3 p.m. there's a meeting with marketing team. Then tomorrow, there is Katie 1-year anniversary, which lasts all day.
No!
Having the Muse Alexa assistant in your car gives you the ability to safely navigate your life.
Alexa, what's the weather gonna be like tonight?
Tonight, you can look for mostly clear skies with a low of 56 degrees.
Alexa, order some chocolate.
I found Godiva chocolates for $46. Would you like to order it?
Yes.
Alexa, ask Magic 8 Ball if it's gonna be a great weekend.
The Magic 8 Ball says it appears to be true.
Having the Alexa assistant in your car gives you the ability to be a more effective adult.
Alexa, ask Open Table for a reservation tomorrow night at Postino.
Is 8 p.m. okay?
Yes. Hey babe, looking forward to our anniversary this weekend. Katie?
Alexa, order champagne for delivery tomorrow.
Okay.